Professor Namrata Sharma will be operating on a 66-year-old gentleman and with a grade 2 cataract, and the plan is to do phaco with Hoya Nanex in the right eye. And the chosen IOL power is 20 diopters.
So at the outset, I would like to thank Partha for inviting us here. And I would like to congratulate Dr. Partha Biswas, Dr. Moni Deepa Biswas, Priyam Biswas, Soham Basak and the entire team for such a state-of-the-art facility, the operation theatre and the entire center, Trinetralaya, which is as good as any international center. So congratulations Partha and team, and we will begin with this case.
He is fainting behind you.
No, seriously. सामने देखेंगे जी. So I like to make the side port first. So 2 side ports. सामने देखेंगे 3 लाइट में.
You love to do surgery in such a good retro.
I know. There's such good retro and such good OR also. क्या है? Okay, don't need phenocaine. I asked her to put phenocaine because when Partha showed me the case, it was 2 millimeters, and I got the shock of my life. I was asking the patient which eye is he putting the drop in.
If you give a surgery to an expert, you want to challenge them.
That challenge was too much. So I put trypan blue dye, although it is not required here because the glow is too good. I am assisted by Sukriti and Titsa. Ravi. So I am putting Elongivy, and I like to do capsulorhexis with the cystotome limbs. With the cystotome, with the main through the main wound. सामने देखेंगे जी. And I actually, when I start the capsulorhexis, I'll pull this one as well as this one, because otherwise the other one will go haywire.
And you regularly do it from the main port itself?
Yeah, regularly in the main port. I'm just seeing centration.
Madam, little bit of centration if you can do.
Can you just, okay, I'll do it with my... Used to IOCT where you can't do it with the foot because that operates your OCT, but I realized that here you can do it with the foot. The red glow is really nice. Okay, so the rhexis is completed, and after you do the rhexis, I always like to depress the scleral lip a little bit so that the viscoelastic comes out. Always, whenever I put any cannula inside the anterior chamber, I always will push a little bit of fluid because sometimes you don't know that, it's kind of blocked and then you can cause injury. And this is the hydrodissection and the hydrodelineation and multiple hydrodelineation because it kind of helps. And of course the nucleus moves as you do hydrodelineation. It will move. Then again, before we put in the phaco probe, I like to put the viscoelastic a little bit inside just to create some space. Can I have the phaco probe, please? And again, this is the Centurion machine on which we are working. What happened? What a long hair she has. No.
First time I'm seeing your long hair. Why? I always keep it open. No, you keep it, but we are not sat like this, no?
So always again check where your sleeve is. थोड़ा पीछे करके.
Really? I think that South Indian look for this.
This patient understands Hindi. He was talking to me in Hindi, so. Okay, so just check again whether the fluid is coming out or not. Can we have viscoelastic on the cornea, please? So this. Viscoelastic, please. Yeah, just put and go away. Yeah. No, it's okay. Anyway. So this is the first chop that has been done. The microscope is really nice. Like I'm saying, it's just the state of the art operation theatre which Partha has. And this is the second chop. So there are two ways of doing it. Make all the chops and then take them out, or just take the first one out. First create a space for the rest. And this is the third one. Okay. So I think we can now start taking them out. IP on karna, please. IP on. So IP just helps a little better in the followability. Everything has to be done in the center. And I think when the last fragment is out, epinucleus on. Can we have the epinucleus on, please? These last bits do well with the epinucleus also. And this is, I think epinucleus mode is again a very good mode in this machine because Sinsky.
Very well done surgery in Amrita.
Thank you, Chitra. It's not over yet till it is over. So again, this is a part of the epinucleus only, so we'll just take it out like this. And now I think we can do the IA. This viscoelastic. So again, when you do the IA, it is always good to put a little bit of viscoelastic. We are used to coaxial. I think they do have a coaxial here. Sinsky, please. Okay, so this looks a little different because...
Do you normally use a curved one, Namrata?
No sir, just like you, I also use a straight one, but
Yeah.
again always it's better to just check whether it's working or not.
So you prefer to start from the periphery and then come to subincisional?
Yes sir. So with the J shaped or the curved one, this is the advantage. You can just slip at the, just direct your trip a little backwards. And I think you are almost done. Can we have
Magnetic
polishing?
attraction to the cortex.
Yeah, polish please. There are some stray cortical fibers which are there. So I'm just trying to
Tomato like.
polish that. And like Dr. Ramamurthy said, it is always good to, although there are no studies which have said that you need to polish the rim, but it is always good to polish the rim.
Very nicely cleared up cortical fibers, and it's we can see a wonderful glow from here.
Okay, सामने देखेंगे जी. See, this is Partha's microscope. Really nice.
Very nice. We can see the wonderful glow of the wonderful glow that after clearing the cortical fibers.
Maybe
That
I need HPMC. So I think this has been shown, but so this is the methyl cellulose which is being put. It gives you the steps actually. You don't have to
राजेश और
remember.
मेरा कंसेंसस था कि पर्सनालिटी का भी कोई इम्पैक्ट होता होगा ग्लो पे.
क्यों?
पर्सनालिटी का इम्पैक्ट नहीं होता ग्लो पे.
एक मिनट
इतनी बढ़िया ग्लो आ रही है.
Have you put the viscoelastic? See, my nursing staff sisters here are so efficient. They got us, they needn't have got us here from Delhi. They could have done it themselves. Good. So, okay, we put this here. This is, all the steps are written there actually, 1, 2 and 3. So the viscoelastic is being put here, just till the edge. So that is done. Then the step 2 is that you have to slide it here like this, and then you have to pick it up from the slider, and you are there. Now
So Madam, is this the push type or the screw type?
it has both. It is a multi-cert thing, but I like to push rather than. I find that pushing is faster than screwing it. So just checking where the lens is. So the lens is very much there. You can see that it is coming out. And now when it is just at the edge, chopper nahi, Sinsky please. सामने देखेंगे, सामने 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 सामने. So the beauty of this lens is that it goes through a sub 2 millimeter, 1.8 they say, and I've just I made a 2.2 for the entry, and this is the Nanex where the posterior surface is treated, and the lens goes beautifully inside without having to load it, increase the incision, or a struggle in between the incision and the haptic of the lens. Limbs please, limbs.
Yeah, so this is a clear lens, right?
Yeah.
It is a clear lens, the posterior surface of which has been treated,
Ozonated.
has been ozonated, and so this is now put in the bag, and that is the end of the surgery, and we'll now aspirate the viscoelastic. Cortex. I don't like to do a viscoelastic aspiration in viscoelastic because again I feel it is a little slower there. So I'd like to do it in cortex. So keep it in the cortex aspiration mode and then take out all the viscoelastic that is there. Cortex man. So I just feel it is faster. Again, I would like to, congratulate the team which is here, which is managing everything, all disposables, everything, and doing so well. Sukriti is there with me.
Yes, the whole team is wonderful,
It
and
doesn't feel like
because
a
the leader of the
yeah.
team is wonderful.
It
And-
doesn't feel at all you are operating, you know, in a OR which is different. It just feels that it's your own kind of OR. I think I'm more comfortable here than in my own OR,
No,
where
don't say
people
that.
don't listen much. Samne dekhna, samne.
That's why you have done a wonderful surgery, madam.
What do you mean? I don't do there.
No. I mean, you are so comfortable. I mean, they have made you so comfortable. It's very essential to be comfortable. And that's what I had told you, that outside your own OT, this is one of the most comfortable OT experience that you will have. That's what I had told you when you were entering.
Yeah.
And that's what you are telling. So, and you have done a fantastic surgery.
Thank you. Thank you,
And
Rajesh.
people are really, have liked your
Thank
surgery.
you. Thank you, Rajesh. And the
Dr.
last
Three
straw in the
cheers to you, Namrata. Wonderful surgery.
Thank you, thank you. The last straw is going to be what I'm going to say now. It's like a deja vu of my Moorfields OR. Very much. No, seriously, Partha. Everything that is kept inside.
Madam, if you
is
tell one more line,
pretty-
you will not sleep at night.
Pretty
Today.
much like the way we used to do it there. So, ये क्या है? Vigamox. Pretty much like that. The way you put down the things, your inventory, and the way the place where we scrubbed was, it pretty much looked like that only. So, okay. So I think we are done. Thank you very much.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
ma'am.
So now I think the master blaster himself, Partha Bishwas, is going to do the surgery.
Showstopper is coming now.
Yes.
Uh,
So I think we need to talk about the Nanex. We've not done
please
that.
come
We've talked about everything but the Nanex.
Yeah, definitely would like to know about the lens that you have put.
Congratulations, Namrata.
Thank you.
Beautiful surgery. And
Come on,
I-
Ramamurthy, it's so difficult to follow you.
I echo every sentiment you expressed about the wonderful setup there. So, what has been your experience with this Nanex?
I think with Nanex, I
No,
have
your
the
mic
mic.
is
I
there.
think that with Nanex, the best part is that it is a preloaded lens. And so there's hardly any microbial contamination from the area around, because the fluid is there and you don't have to load it. Either you load it yourself or you ask your nursing staff to load it. So all those problems of, any damage on the optic or any damage on the haptic, or the optic not going over the haptics when you load it, all those problems are obviated. Plus the fact that when you are putting it in the bag, you can put it in the bag or even through the wound entry. It can be done through the wound assisted implantation can also be done. So the best part about it is that it goes through a less than 2 millimeter incision. So even if your thing is about 2.2, then also it can go inside and without having you to struggle
I
at
think
all.
since most of us use phaco tips of 2.2, I find this with this lens, the wound assisted implantation is not necessary at all.
Yeah.
It almost the tips
Yeah,
slips
yeah,
in.
yeah.
The Vivinex is the lens which came in first and Nanex followed. So there's been quite a bit of talk about the ozonated posterior surface. As such, with all the hydrophobic acrylic square edge, the PCO is extremely rare. Do you think it's really making a difference?
No, I think it makes a lot of difference. You may say it is rare, but there is still, there are still cases where you do have PCO, and that lens really overscores in terms of PCO over all the other lenses, because the chances of posterior capsular opacification are far less with this as compared to the other similar platform hydrophobic acrylic lenses.
Great. I think it's good to have choices.
I think
Yeah.
it's slightly thinner compared to other
And the
lenses.
injector system is so smooth. I mean, there are no burps and there are no hiccups at all. It just glides its way, into the capsular bag.
Thank you, ma'am. And